What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Watch Me Animate. Hope you're doing great. Continuing with the walk cycles theme. In my opinion, one of the main reasons you may be struggling with the walk cycle is because you are missing a key component, which I believe acts as a structural piece to your walk. This key component is called the base walk cycle. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you the importance of having a base walk cycle. Then I'm going to show you the base walk cycle, which we will be creating together in my course, followed by the magical transformation from the base walk cycle to the final polished walk cycle. So why is the base walk cycle a key component? Well, when you're building a house, you start with a foundation. If you start with the kitchen, you got a big problem. Now, in a walk cycle, the base walk is your foundation. It is the framework that's going to allow you to build a proper walk cycle. Without this framework, you're essentially navigating a road with no GPS. Granted, some people know how to get around town, while others get lost pretty fast. So, that said, let's take a look at the base walk cycle that you will learn to create in my course. So here is the base walk cycle. And I know some of you out there are thinking John's lost his mind. He's trying to sell us some robotic C-3PO wannabe Star Wars walk cycle. I promise you, this is not to be funny. This is not a joke. This is actually a legit part of the process. You see, this base walk cycle is secretly a Swiss Army knife of walk cycles. Let me explain. It is intentionally animated this way to give you the most flexibility when you are creating whatever type of walk cycle you have in mind. You see, for the course, I had in mind a confident, upbeat, energetic walk cycle, but it could have literally been any kind of walk you can imagine. A male, female, teenager, older man, older woman, monster, alien, whatever you have in mind. You see, the base walk cycle is the key component that acts as the framework. It is the blueprint to knowing exactly what to animate, in what order, and why to give you the results that you want. In the next video, we're going to have a little fun by making a few modifications to this walk to create a few different personality types. So you'll definitely want to be checking that out. If you haven't yet signed up to my waiting list for the course, you can by clicking the link in the description of this video. The link will take you to my website where you can enter your email and I will notify you when the course is officially launched. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.